Umani ng iba't ibang reaksyon ang lineup ng Metro Manila Film Festival ngayong taon kung saan karamihan ng mga nakapasok ay indie movies. Isa nga sa mga umapela ay si Mother Lily, ang star bite sa ni Aubrey Carampel.
Hi.
Then you tell her.
Have a boyfriend?
Change has come,
Thanks, Mart.
pati sa Metro Manila Film Festival.
Who's playing my husband?
Dahil ngayong 2016, maraming indie films ang pasok.
Nobody but me.
Out naman ang ilang pelikula ng mga sikat.
It's a blessing in disguise for us. Mas haba yung playdate namin.
Kung ako may sama ng loob, ito'y hindi para sa akin, kundi para sa mga bata.
There is a time for the indie movie, but not Christmas season.
Nabatikos dito si Mother Lily, paglilinaw niya.
You know, I don't take against indie movie because I was the original.
Apela ng chairperson ng Film Development Council of the Philippines.
Ang Metro Manila Film Fest po na theme ngayon ay may bagong vision. And I think we have to respect that. If this becomes really successful, then we are on our way towards a very, very good direction towards Philippine cinema.
Aubrey Carampel, GMA News.